In this video, I will teach you how to install and download, or you can say how to download and install Python interpreter in your computer. First of all, you open web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. So type here the address of Python official website www.python.org. See, this is the official website of the Python, and from here you can download Python interpreter, and you can read documentation, Python documentation means programming tutorial. Everything is in this website. So what you have to do here, you go to the download menu. See, it is showing here download for Windows Python 3.8.3, and it is a 32-bit this Python interpreter for your 32-bit Windows operating system. But if you have 64-bit Windows operating system, then you click on this Windows menu. See, here it is showing the list of Python interpreters. This side you see here stable release, and this side it is showing pre-release. Pre-release means these versions are beta versions. You can use these version as a Python interpreter in your computer, but means these versions can be contain some bugs. So basically these versions are for testing purpose, but you use here the existing version. See, this is it is showing here the list. The existing version is Python 3.8.3. So you click on this one, latest Python 3 release, but actually I am seeing here it's this one. See, I am seeing here it's 64-bit. Now you see here, note that Python 3.8.3 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. You could not use Python interpreter on Windows XP. Means this version, Python 3.8.3. If you have Windows 64-bit operating system, then you download this one, Windows x86 64 executable installer. If you have 32-bit Windows operating system, then you download Windows x86 64 means x86 executable installer. So if you have 64-bit Windows operating system, then you download this one. You click on this option here. It will take some time to download this Python interpreter in your computer. See here, the downloading has been started now. It is showing 4 minutes. Actually, this depends on your speed of the internet connection. Okay, let it to be download. I am explaining you something in this website. If you want to read tutorials, then you click on this one, docs option. See, it is showing audio visual talks, beginner's guide, developer guide, and FAQ, frequently asked questions, and Python books, Python essays. You click on here docs for Python tutorial. Means whenever you are searching something in internet related to Python, you go to this Python documentation. It displays correct tutorial for your means Python programming. You click on Python docs. Okay, it is taking some time to open this one, Python documentation. One more thing I want to tell you, that you have seen here there are so many versions of the Python, but it depends on which version you are using. Actually, there is minor difference between 3.8.3 to 3.8.4, right? Means 3.8.4 has some bugs in comparison to the 3.8.3. Actually, one thing is here, bug means this is the means logical error in this Python interpreter. Like means errors are the part of the programming. Actually, this interpreter is also called as a program, but this interpreter basically means uh, executes your Python code. Now, you see here it is showing 3.8.4 RC1. Actually, this documentation is of means pre-release version. Now you see here it is showing DocSpy version 3.10 in development, but I want to show you this one, Python 3.8 stable version. Stable means this lots of developers are using this one, this Python interpreter version. Okay, I'm explaining you something more about these Python versions. Here in Notepad, I'm typing this thing because it is taking some time. So I want to explain you something more about the Python version. Python 2.x. You will read these words. X means maybe the number 2.7, 2.6. This is the meaning of the X. And here Python 3.x. X means the version. Example, Python 3.8.2, Python 3.8.3. So what are the differences between? Actually, this current version has some bugs in comparison to the earlier version. Means in every version they add some features and remove some bugs in comparison to the previous version. So I'm writing here, I'm typing here, Python new version has some more features and less bugs in comparison to other versions. So you don't be confused if you are using 3.8.3 and after some months or some days they release another version, so you are not using that current version, so don't be confused. That means you will learn less things in comparison to the current version, so don't be confused. Means in current version there are some more features and less bugs, so don't be confused about this one. But one thing is here, means there are so many differences in comparison to 2.x and 3.x. Actually, what's the meaning of this one? This meaning means some developers they use 2.x and after some years they migrated to the 3.x. Okay, this is the difference between the current version and the previous version. Now this version has been downloaded here, so I am opening this one. Actually the default download folder in my computer is downloads. So it is taking some time. Okay, don't be confused about this one. You see here this version means it is downloaded now. Okay, let it be. Yeah, this is the version. So Python 3.8.3 AMD 64 one. Actually I have downloaded earlier this version, so that's why it has added one here. You click on this one, Python interpreter executable, means file here, soft, or you can say software. Okay, it is taking some time to open its GUI, means screen, to install this software in your computer. You see here it is showing this option, Python 3.8.3 64-bit setup, install Python 3.8.3 64-bit, select install now to install Python with default settings or choose customize to enable or disable features. You can use both options. The default location is this one, install now, and customize installation. But you see here, you have to use this one. You have to select this checkbox. Why this checkbox is necessary? I'm typing this content here. Why this checkbox is necessary? You have to be sure to check the box that says add Python 3.8.3 to path as shown to ensure that the interpreter will be placed in your operating system execution path. Okay, now you see here, you have to select this option Python 3.8 to path, right? So after that you click on this option. If you want to install in another location, then you select customize location. If you want to set the path in this one, then you select, this is the default location of the Python interpreter, so you select this feature. But I was explaining you operating system execution path means whenever you install this Python interpreter, then you have to connect the Python interpreter with your operating system. Then you click on install now. It is taking some time to install this Python interpreter in your computer. It depends on the speed of your computer. See, it is showing there are some more options what it is installing in your computer. Python 3.8.3 standard library, 64-bit, and this is the icon of the Python interpreter, or you can say Python program. And whenever you create Python program, it automatically sets this icon for the Python program. Yeah, I was explaining you this one. See here it is showing so many options, means how many files are installed in your computer along with this Python interpreter. It install Python tutorial or Python tutorial also called as Python docs and Python manual. And the documentation is a full tutorial for Python programming. You have no need to purchase any extra books. Whatever the book you are using means as a textbook, uh, then and for reference purpose you use Python interpreter documentation. And means what I explained you. I explained you about the execution path. Execution path, I will tell you where is the execution path. Let it to be installed. Now you see here it is showing this window. This means window. The purpose of this window is to display setup was successful and new to Python start with online tutorial and documentation. You can read online tutorial. Means actually it is not showing here. Then you click on the close this button. Now, if you want to see where this Python interpreter is installed, you click on the start menu. Then you go to this Python option. Now you see here it is showing Python 3.8 new. Then you click on this one. It is taking some time to open this Python interpreter. See, this is the screen of the Python interpreter. This is the Python interpreter shell. Shell means it displays the prompt. Here the prompt can be used to run Python commands, or it is also used as a calculator. Thank you for watching this video.